Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you guys what I'm planning on doing to prepare my 345 badges and also install them on my 2019 Challenger Shaker. Now, I had some issues in the past with my charger, and with these badges, the numbers are actually plastic plates that adhere or are glued to the actual metal numbers that it sits on. And after about 8 months, my numbers started popping off after water got behind them. So from the preparation standpoint, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to first clean off the outsides of the 345 badges. So I'm going to clean the outside of the 345 badges with an alcohol swab. Get them nice and clear, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually spray it with a clear coat spray polyurethane. And my hope is that will seal them so they don't pop off after a while. So let's get into that. All right, so I got the first coat on. We'll come back and do a second. All right, guys, second coat. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and install these. This particular one is a plastic backing that you peel off. And you can line it up as you desire. Put it up here. Hopefully this will just kind of peel off as such. Beauteous. Simple as that. Now let's go grab the camera and get a closer look. See how they look? The car's not totally clean, but I made sure I did clean around the car. So it's black, so I like it. It doesn't pop as much as my black Charger did with the red, but I mean, as you can see, I mean, there's just black accents throughout my car, so I wanted to match that. So, all right, guys, there's the install. Once I get her nice and cleaned up, I will do a nice before and after. So, hope you guys liked the video, and for those of you guys getting badges, something to consider is definitely those plastic emblems popping off the metal. So, hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. All right, guys. So I got my 345 badges, trimmed it up a little bit more than the video from yesterday, and you can see that in the template, it lines up pretty darn perfect. So I'm just going to roll with the template, and I'm going to put it up using the template. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove the adhesive off of the back here. All right, so see the adhesive's gone. Okay, so the numbers are on there. It's perfectly level. Let's give that a little bit of a pressure. And then let's see if this works out the way I had hoped. So let's remove. It's a little messy. Might have to. Alright. So I'm peeling it out around the numbers. Up and around. Gotta clean up a little bit there. Those bad boys are on. And they look awesome. So just gotta get some Goo Gone, maybe clean. Got a little bit of adhesive up around the 4 and around the 3. But as you can see, they look pretty slick. They look pretty awesome. So we'll come back here. It's really sunny, so it looks a little orange. But let's get some distance here. And there she is. Looks sharp as heck. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. It looks awesome. Let's go back again. Get a little distant picture here. And there you have it, guys. The installation for the 345 Hemi badges. So there you go. Like, subscribe, and comment, fellas.